Hi, my name's Amber and I'm an accessory designer, and today I'm going to show you some new pieces that I've worked on. So this one is for one of my customers and it's a crystal and pearl hand sewn crown. It took me 60 hours to make and I absolutely love it. It is completely hand sewn beaded crystals and pearls with different colors. Then I also used some crystal flowers as well in it. And then on the inside, I have a pretty fabric to cover all of the thread in the back. And so this is my absolute favorite that I've made so far. And then this is also for her, and it's to go with her emerald outfit. She just wanted an emerald crown. And this one that I made is able to actually go on the head without a ribbon. And I really like it. And it's made from wire and different crystal beads, but you can have it up here and it'll stay on your head a little bit, and then you can also have it down, which actually works better than having it up here because then it actually will stay on your head. So better to have it here than up here. But I also am providing ribbon in case there is still it being loose, and then this way you can secure it to your head just for extra measure. So it'll still come with ribbon. And then when you take it off, you want to lift it at the sides and go down, and before you put it on, you want to push it in a little bit so that it stays. So I'm super excited with that one. And then the last crown I want to show you will be available on my Etsy shop, and it's this one. And it's made with black crystal beads in various shades, and then it's also made with teal crystal beads as well, and then some crystal sunflowers. And it's not going to have ribbon on it, but it'll still be in the box so that if you want ribbon, you can still use ribbon to tie it to your head. And then when you do put it on, you want to make sure to push it in a bit and then put it on your head. And then just kind of do a test to make sure it'll stay. And then when you want to take it off, you want to pull straight out so that your hair doesn't get caught in the spirals. And then if it does get caught, just be very gentle as you are pulling it out, because sometimes it'll just loop, so you just have to carefully loop it off. But as long as you pull out, it shouldn't catch your hair as much. And the last thing that I want to show you guys is made for a bride as well. It's a custom hand sewn crystal beaded headband, and it's 20.5 inches long, and it took me about 30 hours to hand sew. And it has a little bit of weight to it, but I think it would be really cute as a belt as well. But you can put it on your head and then secure it with the ribbon. And I really hope that you guys like what I made, and if you want me to make you a custom piece, just ask and send me an email, or you can contact me on my Etsy shop. And my email is amber@amberanddesigns. Bye guys!